Hello, this is Laurie Petrie with part 3 of the Land Rover starter motor. This episode concentrates on what to do if you're stranded, particularly in the bush. The longest stock route in the world is the Canning stock route, which was last used in 1959, the year I started my apprenticeship in machine tools. It runs from Halls Creek to Wiluna. So what is the bush? Well, it looks like this for an awful long way. In fact, 1900 kilometres, that is 1180 miles. This is a photograph of my daughter in the mid-1990s embarking on the Canning stock route. She worked there for many years, so she knows it intimately. This, unfortunately, is a regular news event in Perth. Inexperienced people set off to do the Canning stock route and break down. They then leave their vehicle and perish. This is despite a warning notice being placed at either end, which says, unless you've got adequate supplies and spares, do not go on this road. When undertaking a new journey, what I tend to do is compare it to journeys that I've done previously. For the first half of my life, I lived in Heptonstall in the UK and used to travel regularly down to Biarritz in the south of France, where my wife's family came from. That journey is approximately 3/4 of the distance of the Canning stock route. Similarly, I had regularly travelled from Chicago to Houston, which is about the same distance as that of the Canning stock route. In both of these cases, you will meet lots and lots of people on your journey. However, on the Canning stock route, you may count yourself lucky if you meet another vehicle. But you don't have to go to those extremes. Here, whilst I was collecting grain from the brewery for the cattle, my Land Rover actually did break down at a friend's house, and so I had to fix it there and then. The quick repair is for you to get under the vehicle with either a small spanner or a screwdriver and remove the end cap and then the actuator. Then anything that comes to hand you may easily clean the surface with. In this case, there was a small nail file. It performed brilliantly. Once the actuator is clean, then it may be reassembled and you can continue your journey.